Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of October 21st, 2021. And the first question is, who among the following took charge as CMD of National Research Development Corporation? The options are A. Amit Rastogi, B. Dr. H. Purushottam, C. Dr. Dekar, and D. Dinesh K. Sharaf. The correct answer is A. Amit Rastogi. Amit Rastogi took charge as CMD of National Research Development Corporation. He served as Additional General Manager, Tech Services for 2 years at Naval Lockheed. The second question is, RBI imposed 1 crore penalty on which of the following bank for non-compliance with the aforesaid direction? The options are A. HDFC Bank, B. SBI, C. ICICI Bank, and D. Axis Bank. The correct answer is B. SBI. RBI imposed 1 crore penalty on SBI for non-compliance with the aforesaid directions. The third question is, which of the following becomes the 9th PSU to join the Allied Club of 1 trillion rupees market capitalization? The options are A. SAIL, B. NALCO, C. IRCTC, and D. NTPC. The correct answer is C. IRCTC. Which of the following launched the Geospatial Energy Map of India on October 18, 2021? The options are A. DRDO, B. BARC, C. IGCAR, and D. NITI Aayog. The correct answer is D. NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog launched the Geospatial Energy Map of India on 18th October 2021. This Geospatial Energy Map of India provides a holistic picture of all energy resources like oil, gas wells, petroleum refineries, conventional power plants, coal fields, and blocks. The Geospatial Energy Map of India, launched by NITI Aayog in collaboration with ISRO. The fifth question is, which of the following government floated tenders for developing a portal called Rajgari Bazaar 2.0? The options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Assam, C. Punjab, and D. Delhi. The correct answer is D. Delhi. Delhi government floated tenders for developing a portal called Rajgar Bazaar 2.0. The portal will provide employment-related services to the youth of Delhi. Delhi government had launched the Rajgar Bazaar 1.0 in August 2020. It turned out to be a lifeline for small businesses and employed youth of Delhi. On this portal, 10 lakh jobs 14 lakh job seekers have already been advertised. The sixth question is, which of the following is hosting a Aadhaar Hackathon 2021 targeting at young innovators? The options are A. Government of India, B. UIDAI, C. UNGA, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is B. UIDAI. UIDAI is hosting a Aadhaar Hackathon 2021 targeted at young innovators. The hackathon is starting on 28th October 21 and would continue till 31st October 2021. Aadhaar Hackathon 2021 is themed around two topics. The first theme of Aadhaar Hackathon is around enrollment and update. The seventh question is, who among the following has been elected as chairman of Association of Mutual Funds in India? The options are A. Balasubramanian, B. Radhika Gupta, C. Sandeep Sikha, and D. Dinesh Kumar Khara. The correct answer is A. Balasubramanian. A. Balasubramanian, elected chairman of Association of Mutual Funds in India. Balasubramanian has earlier served as the AMFI chairman for the period of 2017 to 2019. Radhika Gupta elected as vice president of Association of Mutual Funds in India. The eighth question is, in which of the following city Madame Tussauds unveiled the Virat Kohli's first wax statue in 2018? And the options are A. Abu Dhabi, B. Mumbai, C. Dubai, and D. Delhi. The correct answer is D. Delhi. Madame Tussauds unveiled Kohli's first wax statue in 2018 in the Delhi Museum. His second wax statue was out in England in the 2019 World Cup in England. Virat Kohli's wax statue unveiled at Dubai's Madame Tussauds Museum. The statue is wearing the nostalgic 1992 World Cup design jersey. Going to the sports news, Harbhajan Singh, Javagal Srinath among 18 new honorary life members of MCC. MCC awards honorary life membership to some of the world's finest cricketers. 8 of the 12 test playing nations are represented within this year's list. 4 England players, Sir Alastair Cook, Ian Bale, Marcus Trescothick, Sarah Taylor. 4 South African players, Amla Gibbs, Jacques Kallis, and Marnie Murphy. 2 Australians, Alex Blackwell and Damian Martin. 2 Indians, Harbhajan Singh and Javagal Srinath. West Indies players, Ian Bishop, Shivnarayan Chandrapal, and Ramnaresh Sarwan. Rangana Harith from Sri Lanka, Sarah McGlenis from New Zealand, and Grant Flower from Zimbabwe. And going to the awards section, 18th UN Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award to be conferred on Dr. Abhay Bang for improving the healthcare systems of tribes in remote Gadchiroli, Maharashtra. Award will be conferred on November 13 at Kokrajhar, Assam. The Upendranath Brahma Trust (UNBT) was established in July 1999. But the Upendranath Soldier of Humanity Award was conferred first time in 2002. Upendranath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award consists of 1 lakh rupees. Upendranath Brahma was an Indian Bodo social activist and the former president of All Bodo Students Union. He was VP of the All Bodo Students Union between 1981 and 1983, president from 1986. Brahma died in Tata Memorial, Mumbai on 1st May 1990 as a consequence of blood cancer. The ground where Brahma was buried is now known as Tulunga Puri. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.